The surprising benefits and risks of cinnamon. What you need to know in this video, a journey through the fascinating world of cinnamon, breaking down its health benefits and potential risks. Cinnamon is known for its ability to warm the body, boost immunity, and reduce inflammation, all of which are especially helpful when the seasons change and our immune systems might need a little extra support. But while cinnamon can be a powerful ally, it's important to know how to use it properly, especially when it comes to the right food combinations. Explained why some pairings with cinnamon can actually be harmful, while others can amplify its benefits. He also sheds light on the differences between cassia cinnamon, which is commonly used, and Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, and why the coumarin content in cassia cinnamon should be monitored. Plus, he walks us through some of the best and worst combinations to enjoy cinnamon without risk. A closer look at cinnamon and its health benefits kicks things off by explaining how a slight drop in body temperature during seasonal changes can weaken our immune system. This is where cinnamon comes in. It's more than just a tasty spice, it actually helps warm the body and boosts immunity, making it a great addition to your diet when the weather gets colder. Cinnamon also offers powerful anti-inflammatory and antiviral properties, helping to protect against chronic diseases and other health issues. But here's the thing. Not all cinnamon is created equal. Breaks down the differences between cassia cinnamon, the most commonly found variety, and Ceylon cinnamon. While Ceylon cinnamon is much safer to consume in large quantities, cassia cinnamon contains a compound called coumarin. In excess, coumarin can be toxic to the liver, so it's important to be cautious about how much cassia cinnamon you're consuming, especially if you're pregnant or dealing with liver issues. Food pairings that work, and ones to avoid, shares some insights on the best ways to pair cinnamon with other foods to maximize its health benefits. Ginger and cinnamon. When you combine cinnamon with ginger, the two spices work together to help detoxify the body and reduce inflammation. This duo is especially beneficial for improving blood circulation and supporting your immune system. Cinnamon and apples for blood sugar. If you're managing diabetes or trying to regulate your blood sugar, this combo is golden. Studies show that pairing cinnamon with apples can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Plus, both foods are packed with antioxidants, so you're getting a double dose of cancer-fighting benefits. Honey and cinnamon for heart health. Honey and cinnamon might just be one of the most underrated combos. Both ingredients are known for their anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, and together, they can help promote heart health by improving circulation and reducing harmful cholesterol levels. What to watch out for. As much as cinnamon is beneficial, it's not always a perfect match with every food. Doctor advises against pairing cinnamon with dried jujubes, which are high in sugar, or anticoagulant medications, like warfarin and aspirin. The combination of cinnamon with these can lead to unwanted side effects, like blood sugar spikes or increased bleeding risks, so it's best to avoid these pairings. By the end of the video, leaves a simple but crucial reminder. Cinnamon is an amazing spice that offers a ton of health benefits, but it's all about how you use it. The key is knowing which food pairings maximize its effects while avoiding potential risks. Whether you're using cinnamon to boost immunity in the winter, manage blood sugar, or improve heart health, being mindful of your choices can make all the difference. With the right knowledge, you can easily incorporate cinnamon into your diet safely and effectively, unlocking all of its powerful benefits while staying healthy and protected.